It's October 1st, 2013. I'm going to change the oil on my 320C Caterpillar excavator at 4,685.3 hours. It's about 7:15 and the focus is off on my phone. I don't know why. This is me. $4,685.3 hours. And reach up in here and I flip the Fumitomo valve. I think that's the word for it. I'm draining the oil. Alright, 4,685.3. I have put the hours on the top of the oil filter because it sits upside down in the engine bay. October 1st. There's the oil filter. There's the new one I'm going to put on. The Napa number is 1791. And the original cat number is 1R0739. It's the original part number. I'm going to put a little film of oil around the O-ring when I turn it and put it on. There's the old oil filter. I use the filter wrench to take it off. Putting the new one on at 4,685.3 hours, October 1st, 13.
Is that for the commission?
Got the new filter on.
Huh?
I'm using Rotella 15W40 engine oil on October 1st, 2013. My 320C, and it's supposed to hold 7.5 gallons, but we'll see. Hopefully. I don't know why I always forget. I've done this 100 times. Alright, so it's 10 after 8 o'clock. And I have got oil in it. I spilled a bunch of it. And it's dark. And put 7 gallons in it. It's supposed to hold 7.5, but I'm going to crank it and run it and then add some. That's an oil change on a 320C L.